Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. You guys, crypto market is flashing some key signals that could hopefully determine Bitcoin's next big move. And are we on the verge of a breakout right now? Or is this just another quick bull trap? I'm going to break it all down today. Plus, we have some breaking XRP news in regards to Grayscale's XRP ETF and what it's currently facing with the SEC. So I really want you to be here till the end of the video so you don't miss out on that. And with the final decision, we're hopefully expecting by October 18th. But before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button for me so you never miss out on any of the latest crypto trends. Now, first things first. Let's talk about the short-term price action. Right now, I'm watching a couple of critical levels, right? Can Bitcoin break above the 20 SMA and give us that bullish confirmation? And then more importantly, can we push past the $98,400 mark to establish a new micro higher high? If those two things do happen and we break the channel that I've got on TA here, I'll start looking at the market with a lot more optimism. Now, let's think about this as well. Grayscale's XRP ETF proposal has reached a key stage as the SEC has posted its 19B-4 filing to the Federal Register. The SEC now has until October 18th to approve or deny this bad boy. And a tweet from Fox Business journalist Eleanor Turek confirms that Grayscale's XRP ETF filing is 100% live now, and the countdown has begun for the SEC's decision. And if this is approved, this could genuinely drive XRP towards all-time highs to $3.84 plus, and this would boost a lot of institutional interest in crypto ETFs. Grayscale's already successful with its Bitcoin ETF, and it is now pushing for broader adoption. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're going to be covering that as we get more news on it. Another thing to think about, if you guys want to trade alongside me and make online money, I love calling it Wi-Fi bread, check out the BTCC link below. It's actually my favorite exchange. It's one of the main ones I use. I use it every day for all my swing trades and my long-term trades, and they are offering right now a $10,000 bonus if you use my link, so it's free money. Don't miss out on it while the opportunity is here to easily supercharge your trade. Sign up with the link below. Now, real quick, let's go over what we're seeing in the market today for TA and exactly what we think is going to happen. So yesterday we took a long, it ate it. Today we've been trying to take short positions just because, as we can see, we've got this big resistance here for XRP. And if we look at the general broader BTC market, we can see that here we're just kind of following this channel. And right now BTC is just following through with this. And as long as it respects these line and limits, it stopped there because that's actually a liquidity zone. If you guys watch my lives, you'll see where we get some of these lines, but they're basically made for the liquidity zone. And then the goal here is to find some good rides. It would have been a great short to short it from there at this with like a 200 to 300x. That's the benefit of being able to use BTCC. You can actually literally 500x it, but be cautious. When you're 500xing, you want to think it through and not just jump into it. Make sure you have a day plan or a trading plan for it. A day trading plan is what I like to call it. But where we are right now, RSI is still really high. Bitcoin is just kind of topping out in this area. If it doesn't get past this 98, we are going to see a big drop, probably down to the 94, 93 number. And I think once we break this liquidity zone here of the 95, it's just a heavy liquidity spot. And same thing with XRP. XRP is a little bit more on the downtrend in my eyes, only because of these lower highs that we're making, but some of these fundamental catalysts that are occurring could genuinely just change the entire game for it. So it's something that you want to be watching very precisely. Another thing too to think about fundamentally is something called Meta Planet, and they've announced that its total Bitcoin holdings have reached about 2,100 Bitcoin, which is now worth $196 million. Now, the firm recently did acquire an additional 68.59 BTC for about $6.6 million at an average price of around $96,000. And in a February 20X post, Megaplanet highlighted that its BTC reserves now make up 0.01% of the total Bitcoin supply. Now, this Japanese investment firm has been aggressively increasing its Bitcoin holdings as a part of its treasury strategy. And then according to its Bitcoin plan, Metaplanet aims to hold 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025 and 21,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2026 as a hedge against inflation. I definitely recommend following their strategy and just dollar cost averaging to whatever you can for the long run. Because if we know these many places like this planning to buy this much of the asset, you guys, we have the possibility to really break some new all-time highs. Lastly, if you are trading meme coins, you need to simplify and have your tax reports ready. Tax season's here now. I will leave the link below. We've got a couple of spot left. So we've actually been really close to filling up, but we're hiring more people. So just make sure you get on the list so that we can get your reports finalized for you before tax season ends and you have a less likelihood of being audited. Please double check that, you guys. We're literally giving you expert advice at no cost. So schedule the free consultation below. And I also want to hear from you. Are you bearish or bullish on XRP and BTC? Do you think this XRP ETF approval could be the next big catalyst, or are we just in for a bunch more market turbulence? Do me a favor, drop your comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and then never miss an update. And until next time, you guys, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.